Freedom hardware. A Freedom Network appliance refers to the physical server that the software is installed on. We offer three types of servers for this purpose. The Dell server is for enterprise facility systems that may have certain IT requirements on the type of hardware that is installed. The Dell server is designed for a large enterprise installation. The primary cube is used for most applications and is the blue server. This is designed to be a primary or a secondary server. The remote cube is designed to be a redundant device, and it serves as a secondary or a tertiary to a main server. A virtual instance of the Freedom can also be offered that is VMware ready. The hardware specifications for each of the Freedom cubes and server nodes are available upon request. Using the cube display. The blue cube server appliance comes with a small informational LED screen and controls to view specific information without accessing the web GUI, such as hard disk usage, system network information, and system uptime. The Freedom Encryption Bridge. A Freedom Encryption Bridge is a small hardware door controller approximately the size of a credit card. A single port bridge has two inputs which can be supervised, one relay output, and can accept a single Wiegand card reader. It is an IP addressable device, and it can be programmed to report to three separate Freedom servers for authentication. It maintains a persistent connection to the Freedom software and does not store any data at the door. The bridge will take the output from a Wiegand reader, encrypt the data via AES 256-bit encryption, and send the information via the local area network to the Freedom server for authentication. The Freedom Bridge is a PoE-enabled device and can be powered via 12-volt DC power supply or via a PoE-enabled network. If using power over Ethernet, please be aware that the bridge requires at least 7 watts and performs a PoE request as a Class 0 device. The bridge has a status light on the board indicating the status of its connection to a Freedom server. A solid green light indicates it has a persistent connection. A blinking green light indicates that it is powered up but cannot find a valid server. If not lit, the board is not powered up. Types of Freedom Encryption Bridges. The Freedom Bridge comes in single reader, dual reader, input-output module, an RS-45 reader, and elevator-enabled variants. This matrix outlines the hardware specific for each type of Freedom Bridge. A Freedom Bridge can be powered via power over Ethernet or direct 12-volt DC power. The bridge can also power external hardware such as a strike, reader, and request-to-exit device, providing it is using 12-volt DC power and the output does not exceed 300 milliamps. PIV card readers, such as the RS-485 Verit reader, draw more power than the Freedom Bridge can provide. For these instances, it is recommended to power both the bridge and the reader via their own 12-volt DC power runs. For these readers, a common ground must be established for proper communication. The Freedom FB10 RS-45 bridge also includes 6 inputs and 2 relay outputs. The elevator control board has 24 relay outputs and in conjunction with the FB9 Wiegand to serial adapter can accept 2 Wiegand readers.